Okay, hello everyone. It's good to have you join me today. It's another time with the enthusiastic tutor, and it's my pleasure having you on board. Just checking my sound, getting my materials together. Okay, I believe you all can hear me very well then. So we just proceed. Okay, today, without wasting too much of our time, it's going to be a very quick class because I'm heading for work today and tomorrow. I won't be. I'll be at work and there won't be much going on. So, okay, I'm just trying to fix my camera quickly. So, tomorrow morning before I go to work, I'll be doing something like this, just like what we have now, so we can cover up and that'll be that. Okay, I think it's better this way. So, just like where we stopped the day, principle of economics, all that has to do with calculation, principle of economics. So, we'll be proceeding from where we stopped, and what we'll be taking today is the midpoint of percentage change. By now, I believe we all know what this stands for, what that stands for. So there will be need for me to write it in full. Just put it this way. So this class is actually a continuation of the previous one, where we went through the formula for quantity demanded, formula for price, percentage change in quantity demanded and percentage change in price. All those things we did. So this is a continuation. It's a series, all just like in 105, one formula is based on the other, and that's how we progress. So in case of percentage change, using midpoint to calculate your percentage change, we have the formula as change, our formula is change for price now. We have formula of price, we have in change in price all over change. Okay, I think I have to put this in bracket. Change in price all over into bracket P1. Let's not forget we said P1 is the new price and PO is the initial price, meaning the old price, over 2 multiply by 100%. So in our last class, there was an example we used illustration that the price dropped from 10 naira, that the price actually dropped from the P1 is 10 naira. The price, the PO was 10 naira, and the new price is 7 naira. So we discussed that quantity demanded increase as a result of decrease in price. So now the old price, which was the initial price, was 7 naira, 7 naira, and the new price now, the old price I mean, yeah, the old price I mean was 10 naira, not 7 naira. So we then say change in price over P1 plus PO. And we realized in our last class that the change in price was 7 to 10 naira. That was the change in price. And we have our P1, the new price as 10 naira, and the old price as 7 naira. This is extracted from our last class, the example from our last class, where the quantity demanded increased as a result of decrease in price, drop in price. So we have um, the PO, which is the P1, the new price, which is 10, and the old price, which is 7. So it decreased. You understand? So it was from 10 naira to drop to 7 naira, so there was an increase. So we have the PO, which is the old price, the new price, which is the P1. So we have we have that as that. So we have it divided by 2 multiplied by 100. Or nevertheless, let me just put it down here so we can understand it better. Now we have our change in price. Now the with this P1 equals the new price, and PO equals old price. So P1 equals 10, and our PO equals 7. So there's always a proper question, but in order to just cut the long story short, so here's our P1, here's our PO. Then we fit this into it. So we have, okay, here we can see this gives us 3, and gives us this is 7 minus 10 gives us, this is plus 7 minus 10 gives us minus 3. 7 minus 10 gives us minus 3. Then we have this as 17. Here divided by 2 multiplied by 100. So we have, by the time we use, let me just use this quickly. So we have this 7 minus 3, 7 minus 10 gives us minus 3. Then we have 10 plus 7 gives us 17. Then that is our divide by 2 multiplied by 100. So we have our answer as, this 17. Let me get my calculator. Okay, 17 divided by 2. 17 divided by 2, we are having 8.5. So we have minus 3 over 8.5 multiplied by 100. So we have that as that. And by the time you do that, we have 0.39. Okay, no, I think 0.5. It's just 0.5 is 0.5 multiplied now by 100. We have, when we divide both, we have minus 0.35. Average it to significant number. Then multiplied by 100. Then we have our final answer as 35 minus 35.3 minus 35.3. So we have that as that. So that's how it works with the percentage change in price. So we have that is that. Move to the next one. In the case of percentage change, so let's just put it here, minus 35 points, minus 35.3 as our P. So let's do the same thing for the same thing for quantity demanded, just as we have done for just as we have done for price. So for quantity demanded now, we have percentage for demanded change in quantity demanded. Now, as we have solved for price, we are going to do the same thing. Quantity demanded and the midpoint then comes in. So we have for price, we have just the same formula. So we have the change in quantity demanded, change in quantity demanded over we have P plus Q is about Q1 plus Q2 over 2 multiplied by 100. This is the process for calculating midpoint of percentage change in price and percentage change in quantity demanded. So the one for quantity demanded. So the question we are using for quantity demanded is still the previous question, where we have 12 minus 6. We have that as that. So we have our Q1, we have our Q1 as 12, and we have our QO as 6. So 12, QO as 6. So we have the change amongst these two is 12 minus 6 into bracket. Q1 is 12 plus 6 divided by 2 multiplied by 100. So we have 6 over 18 multiplied by 100. Then we have 6 divided by, okay, it's divided by, okay. I have to break this down as well. So this is giving us 6 divided by 9 divided by 100 equals, then we have our answer as 66.7. 66.7. We have that. So for QG, we have 66.7. So for now for the midpoint, for the midpoint we say for the midpoint then say percentage in quantity demanded divided by percentage change in price. Just a moment. Trying to save my material. Now the midpoint. Now the midpoint now to get using the midpoint to get